Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I'm just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to discuss facial oils to use in winter that is dry and oily skin friendly. The weather change can literally affect everything. Your food choices, your outfit choices, and your skincare routine. That freezing, blowing wind can be quite harsh on the skin, but it doesn't need to be that way. There are so many facial oils to choose from to keep your skin protected. Even those who produce a lot of facial sebum can benefit from a facial oil. Yep, my oily skin lovies, you too can benefit from facial oils. But the key is to choose oils that can hydrate while balancing the skin's oil production. And of course, oils that are non-comedogenic, meaning that they have the ability to moisturize without clogging the pores. So in today's video, I am going to discuss facial oils for dry skin and for oily skin. So feel free to jump to the description box below. There is a timestamp there so you can go straight to your desired part of the video. Dry babies. Hi. Dry skin is prone to irritation, and in winter, if you don't got your skin on lockdown, honey, you are going to be frustrated, and a facial oil is exactly what your skin needs in winter. Before we start chatting about which oils you should be using, I just want to chat about placement. Facial oils are meant to go after your serum and your moisturizer. The reason for this is because oils have a great ability to seal. So any products that you put on after may have difficulty penetrating to your skin. So for example, if you're using a magic moisturizer and you put your facial oil first, because of the sealing ability, that moisturizer may not be as effective as it would be if you had just put it on and then afterwards put on the oil. But you can also put a facial oil before your moisturizer after your serum. I usually prefer to use it before my moisturizer if I'm using a very simple moisturizer. Skincare is individual. There are no set rules, only logic. But at the end of the day, your skin is unique to you. So do whatever feels best and works best for you. So for example, like me, sometimes I put my facial oil after. Sometimes I put it before. Like everything in life, this channel, everybody out there just has a few guidelines for you. You need to make up your own rules. Okay, so let's get into the facial oils. The first oil is, of course, my number one favorite, and that is Squalane. If you watched my skincare routine for winter, you would know that she is there. Squalane is in there, girl. Squalane is the reason that your girl is glowing all over. There is not a touch of makeup on me. As you can see, my pigmentation and my scars are like very, but woo, sister. I love Squalane. I love facial oil so much. So Squalane oil is a stable version of squalene, a natural oil that is produced by your skin that peaks in your 20s and as you get older decreases its production. So restoring Squalane topically is a beautiful way to add topical moisture back onto your skin. Squalane is a powerful antioxidant and it's also antibacterial. And the best part is that it absorbs so easily and so well into your skin that there is no heaviness and no grease. What you get is a really well hydrated skin that is super moisturized and that just glows and beams from literally every corner that you hit it from. I love it so much. Alright, so products that I suggest that have Squalane in it. This is from The Ordinary and it is 100% plant-derived squalane. very expensive because the ordinary does come from overseas, so obviously there's import taxes etc on it, so buying it from a reseller makes it quite expensive. I saw that this retails for like 600 rand. But there are other companies that are local that has squalane. So Skin Functional, for one, they have a rescue oil that has 80% squalane, and it has other beautiful oils and other beautiful ingredients that are barrier supportive. Also, I have a 15% discount code for Skin Functional. I make no money off it. It is literally just to save you Mandelas. You can find that in the description box. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw that Skin also has squalane, as well as Standard Beauty. Okay, so the next oil, I'm just going to suggest 2 oils and then we're going to move on to the oily skin lovies. So if you don't want to use squalane, the alternative that I suggest is Rosehip oil. As its name suggests, it is extracted from the hip of the rose. It is rich in essential fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, and it contains 2 powerful antioxidants, lycopene and beta-carotene. Oh girl, I hope I'm saying those names right. You know how it goes down on this channel, but I always put it down at the bottom so that there's no confusion, even if it's coming out butchered from my mouth. So these antioxidants are powerful because they are excellent at fighting aging, texture, and sun damage because of their very high free radical scavenging action. Lots of words, let's just break down what I said. So UV rays, environmental pollution, smoke, etc. They basically come on and feed onto your skin. And they come and they feed on your collagen and your elastin, basically destroying it, which results in premature skin aging on your part. So the antioxidants like those in rosehip oil will say, hey, free radicals, feed on me instead. Leave the elastin and leave the collagen and feed on me instead. And that is how antioxidants protects your skin. And that is why we adore antioxidants in a skincare routine and in skincare products on this channel. Like the squalane, rosehip oil absorbs really easily into the skin. And it is not heavy and it is non-greasy as well. Suggested products. Standard Beauty has 100% organic cold pressed rosehip oil and soil, which you can get at Discam, I think maybe Clicks. I normally get it from an online store called Faithful to Nature. Also stocks 100% cold pressed unrefined rosehip oil. So I'm going to leave you guys with those 2 facial oils to choose from this winter. There obviously are much more other oils that you can choose from, but personally on this channel, I love suggesting what I personally use, have tried and tested, and can personally recommend to you. Thanks for watching my dry babies. Please give this a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Hi my oily skin lovies. So my oily skin lovies, if you are using the correct oil for your skin, it can help replenish your natural skin's facial oils, which can keep your oil levels balanced and potentially those breakouts at bay. A facial oil for oily skin types creates an occlusive layer to seal in moisture. This keeps your skin hydrated and plumped. So before we go into the oils that I suggest for you, I just want to discuss placement with you. It is best for you to put a few drops of these facial oils after your moisturizer. I know you're probably thinking like, oh my gosh, why do I need oil? My skin produces so much oil. I'm gonna explain it to you in a minute. Just give me a second. Let's start with the suggestion of the first facial oil so I can explain what it does. So for you, my first suggestion is Hohoba oil. This oil is extracted from the seed of the Hohoba shrub. A study from 2012 tested the effects of clay masks that contain jojoba oil in 133 people with mild acne. After 6 weeks, they reported a 54% decrease in their acne, which includes papules, cysts, and comedones. In general, though, jojoba oil is a common ingredient in acne treatment. Okay, so here's that explanation. So jojoba mimics the skin's natural sebum. So it tricks the skin into thinking that there is enough oil present. This is what helps to rebalance the oil production in your skin. And it is perfect for winter because jojoba oil does not leave your skin feeling dry. So after you moisturize, you can place around 3 to 4 drops in your hand and just pat it into your skin. So you can get the jojoba oil from Soil. They normally have them at Discam, Clicks, or if you like buying online like me, Faithful to Nature sells them as well. It is 100% jojoba oil that is cold pressed and unrefined. So if you don't want to use the jojoba oil, I have another alternative for you. So this next oil is unconventional, and the research is more new compared to the regular oils. But I'm discussing this because I like my channel to be relatable and stuff that has actually been tested. So I've had my husband, who is oily, acne prone, use this oil for a bit so that I could discuss it with you from an experience point of view as well. Especially because I have dry skin, so I can't speak for the oily people. So I had to have it tested. And you know, I take the research pretty serious on this channel. So the next oil is hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is made from the cannabis sativa plant. It is legal and cultivated for non-drug use. It is very different from CBD oil. Please know the difference. It contains mostly fatty acids, so no getting high off hemp seed oil. So the combination of the essential fatty oils that the hemp seed oil contain is in perfect balance and matches the skin's natural sebum production. Pretty much the same concept of the jojoba oil. When an oil can mimic your skin's natural oil, it means that your pores are unlikely to get clogged, and it helps to balance out your oil production. Hemp seed oil is excellent for oily, acne-prone skin. The benefits include the following. It locks in hydration, it attracts moisture, it is anti-inflammatory, it soothes the skin, and it is also really good for redness. Even better, there are no known side effects from this hemp seed oil. This oil is so good to pair with your retinoids, any other active or acids that you may be using as treatment on your skin, because of its anti-inflammatory properties, the fact that it's good for redness, and of course treats acne. This is the hemp seed oil that my husband has been using from Soil. You want the hemp seed oil in the cold pressed unrefined stuff. So this is the one he's been using. This is the one that I suggest. Like I said, the Soil brand, you can get it from Clicks, Discam, or online from Faithful to Nature. That's where I bought this. Just a few drops after moisturizing. Both the jojoba oil and the hemp seed oil, they are lightweight and is non-greasy, and it's not heavy on the skin at all. So my oily skin lovies, now you're educated and you know which facial oils to use this winter to protect your skin from that harsh, freezing, blowing wind. You got this. We're gonna come out glowing in summer, alright? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. If you have any comments, put it down below and we can chat. If you've gotten this far in my video, then you might as well subscribe to my channel. I hope that wherever you are well and you are making good choices. And I can't wait to see you in my next video.